Hey YouTube, just a really quick tutorial today to show you how to get Tinder Gold for free. You can get a free Tinder Gold subscription, allowing you to see who likes you, get unlimited likes and more, guys. So if you're unlucky in love or just having an absolute nightmare with the free Tinder, I highly recommend you follow this tutorial to get free Tinder Gold. Tinder Gold, this is basically what it allows you to get. You get free boosts, weekly super likes, new top picks, see who likes you, and more, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. This is going to get you a Tinder Gold promo code. So this is a simple code that you can redeem, and it's going to upgrade your existing Tinder account to the gold version. So use your mobile, just use the mobile that you have Tinder on, and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys, cold coupons. Now I am just going to whiz through this process, so you can always pause the video and do each step if you get stuck or get lost. But yeah, go to the search bar, type in Tinder. And I should mention, guys, this is basically a codes website. They have codes for loads of different things. So it's not just specializing in Tinder, of course. But if you search for Tinder, it should come up here and you're going to find this page, and they have one verified code. But as you can see, it's pretty popular. So scroll down, and this is free Tinder Gold. This is a 1 month free Tinder Gold promo code. So like I said, guys, this is a simple code, and it's going to upgrade your existing account. So you sort of redeem it in your app or in the Tinder website, and it's going to give you 1 month of Tinder Gold for free. Really easy method. And as you can see, guys, these are limited codes. There's 322 left at the minute. They do replenish them quite often. And you need to unlock your personal promo code. So your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is click on get full code, and this basically allows you to unlock your code. So you need to follow the instructions on the screen. It says complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to unlock your code, and follow the instructions for each. So you're going to have a list of tasks here that are all completely free. These sort of sponsor cold coupons and allow them to provide these awesome Tinder Gold codes, but it is completely free for you. It just takes a few minutes to complete the tasks. So they're easy things like installing mobile applications, answering survey questions and stuff like that, guys. So make sure you do read the small text that tells you how to complete each one. And if you do that, obviously I'll skip forward, but if you do that, your code will be revealed in this box. And yeah, like I said, you can redeem it, and that is how to get 1 month free Tinder Gold in 2025. So head on over to Cold Coupons and then find the Tinder codes page and just select the free Tinder Gold code, and that's how to do it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more awesome money saving tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.